You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. As a third-degree felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. 2022 CR 10787, State of Texas versus Brittany Cruz. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Debbie Cruz on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Somebody is not right.
Are you Ms. Cruz?
Yes,
Counsel, had you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yeah.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. If you all could either whisper in the box or move to the other end so the court reporter will be able to hear. All right, Ms. Cruz, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Cruz, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. As a third-degree felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Cruz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the indictment as presented. There's a $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, sir.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your term of deferred adjudication be for 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, and drug education course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? To the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Doesn't.
State any evidence?
At this time, the state introduces State Exhibit 1 and all of the documents, Your Honor.
No objection.
All right, state, you can confer.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Cruz, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury?
Right out of the gate, this is Serious A third-degree felony in Texas ISNT, a slap on the wrist. We're talking real prison time, and notice how the judge carefully explains the full punishment range. That's not just formality. Legally, the court must ensure the defendant understands exactly what's at stake before accepting a plea. Quick question for you: if you were facing up to 10 years, would you roll the dice at trial or take the deal?
Trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
It's her first felony offense. Seems to be doing well. She's working part-time right now, cleaning homes. We're asking the court to grant her application.
All right, who is Sergio Huerta?
That's my ex.
Do you have any children with him?
No, at all.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many?
2,
Ages?
11 and 10.
Where are they?
My daughter's with my ex's sister, my ex-sister-in-law, and my son is in Fort Worth with my mom.
Right, so was Child Protective Services involved?
Yes,
Right, and were your rights terminated?
yes.
Okay. Are those the only 2 children you have?
That was
What are you,
14.
are you living by yourself?
No, I live with my boyfriend.
Does he have any children?
Yes.
Do they live with you?
They live with me. Well, I'm staying there, so just,
I mean, do the children live with him?
yes.
And what are their ages?
18 and 2 twins are 16.
All right, any children under the age of 16?
No, mom.
Where, just as a side note, where is their mom?
Oh, well, they're going through a whole, that's,
Okay. When
Yeah.
when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you are going to get a drug test today.
yes.
What is the result?
And this,
All right, when's the last time you used?
a couple of weeks ago, I believe, but I've been.
And what did you use a couple of weeks ago?
Maybe like 3 weeks.
No, what did you use? What substance?
Oh, methamphetamine.
Okay. All right, any other questions?
Just to clarify, just the CPS case was in 2013.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's, still providing for that.
You give her money.
Yes, yes.
And she does send her daughter.
All right, 2 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine, probated. Restitution to the Bexar County Lab for testing. No unsupervised contact with minors. No contact with Sergio Pablo Huerta. Drug education course. I want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. 150 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to order parenting classes because there are minors that she's in contact with.
And this is the turning point. She's in court for a drug felony and admits to recent use that's devastating. Judges look for accountability and rehabilitation, and recent drug use signals ongoing risk. You can almost feel the air shift in the courtroom. Be honest, if you're the judge here, are you still thinking second chancer? Are you thinking public safety?
She ever intends to have any contact with her 11-year-old and 10-year-old, she's going to need parenting classes. Once she completes the parenting classes, the remaining of the community service hours can be waived. I'm going to want proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider, no employment with minors, and you are not to be employed at any location, restaurant, whose primary source of income is through the sales of alcohol. You understand? I'm going to want a TAP evaluation, and you need to be honest in the TAP. If the TAP evaluation recommends inpatient treatment, I'm going to want intensive outpatient treatment. If it recommends outpatient, supportive outpatient, I'm still going to want intensive outpatient treatment. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We're going to do the UA hotline with her, and we're going to do the UA hotline with her for at least 3 months, and we'll see how that goes. If all goes well, then she can go to regular testing. And I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month, and we can do that for 3 months and see how it goes. Probation, is there anything else that she needs? Yes. Is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, not that I can think of right now.
All right. In this court, your attorney will tell you communication is key. When people are placed on deferred adjudication or probation, I want them to be successful. I don't want to have to send somebody to prison. Many of the people that you see over in the box, they were either on probation, didn't communicate, didn't report, or whatever they did not do. You understand? Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing, meth and all of these drugs that people are doing on the street, you don't know what's in them. Maybe the last time you used it, don't let that be you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Court is calling 2019 CR 621. I'm sorry. Court is calling 2019 CR 6231B, State of Texas versus Julie Clark. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Jorgens for the state.
Defense.
Ms. Clark.
And are you Miss Julie Clark?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Clark, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Julie Clark who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 6231B for the offense of forgery of a commercial instrument of check on October 24, 2019 for a period of 3 years and extended for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Your Honor, in this case, the state alleges in Bexar County, Texas, between the date the defendant, Julie Clark, was placed on community supervision and the date of filing hereof for restitution, the defendant should have remitted $6,850, but has only remitted $93 in violation of condition number 10F.
Deferred adjudication sounds lenient, but listen closely. This ISNT light probation. This is structured accountability. 90 meetings in 90 days, intensive outpatient. No matter what the evaluation says, field visits. The judge is building a compliance net so tight there's almost no room to slip. Legal deferred adjudication is powerful because if she violates, the judge can sentence her up to the full 10 years. This is mercy with teeth.
Do you plead to that, true or not true?
We'll waive the remaining allegation, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, ma'am.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation 10F, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true
Yes.
to violation of condition 10F?
Yes.
All right, the court will find 10F true. Can we go off the record for a moment? Why do I have this case and it's from the 227th? All the documents say 227th on
It
it.
was transferred to you. I don't know why myself, but it was transferred to you. It's possible that I'm getting some of those because the judge in that court now, that was a section sheet of some of the cases, and so they're getting rid of those cases out of there and sending them to other courts. I don't know if that's this case.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, are you keeping up with the transfers? All right. Is there an agreement?
There is. Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for the court to deny the motion to continue Ms. Clark on community supervision with the added conditions of the mentally impaired caseload placement, with the added condition of money management class, and with the added condition of the theft program level 2. For both of those classes, Your Honor, we're asking the court to order those to be completed within 60 days. And as a part of this agreement, we're asking the court to take into consideration CM number 105351.
All right. Is that the agreement?
Yes.
Ms. Clark, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Clark, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. You can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Julie Clark.
All right. So, Ms. Clark, I'm going to ask you some questions. And the reason why I'm asking you these questions is not to embarrass you, but it's to figure out what's going on in your life and what we can do to make sure that you complete everything successfully. So I'm being told that they want a mental health evaluation. What's going on?
I was in a 7-year abuse relationship, and it didn't end good at all. I'm on a fried twice.
I'm sorry, what?
I almost died twice,
Okay.
so I have a little emotional problem.
All
And
right.
I'm not from here. I have no family here except my daughters, but they're always working, and I have 5 grandkids. So I'm trying to change my life so I can get involved with them.
Okay. And where are you from?
North Carolina.
And Judge, there was already an evaluation done and they recommended the MIC caseload.
All right. Awesome. So are there any drug issues?
No,
And are you employed?
I am now.
All right. What do you do?
UTSA catering.
Oh, okay. What are you catering at UTSA?
All the events. Well, this
I
whole
teach at
weekend-
UTSA. Maybe I need to stop by and
Yeah.
do you
wherever
have any
there's
healthy
event.
food there?
Yes. Right. Where do you teach? I can take you stuff. Because I always try to get rid of it. I don't want to throw it away.
Aw. Well, I can't let
So
you take
go
me
with the
anything.
kids, going down the hallway trying to get with the kids.
Oh, wow. That is awesome that you do that because,
You don't throw it away.
people don't realize college students are so poor.
This condition tells you exactly what the court is prioritizing. Child safety once CPS involvement and terminated parental rights enter the picture. The judge's focus shifts from punishment to protection. It's no longer just about drugs, it's about risk management. Do you think this restriction is protective or too harsh?
Well, they're hungry.
I heard you had Oreo cake.
We have the best brownies, that's for sure.
Okay. All right. So the item that you pled true to, of course, is the money.
Mhm.
So we need to get you sort of on a payment plan for that.
Right.
So with regards to the monies, how much are you able to pay per month?
Well, I just started working,
Mhm.
but this week I put in 50 hours.
Okay.
So I want to try to give a couple hundred. I'm not going to promise that though.
Well, here's the thing. I don't want you to make promises you can't
That's what I
keep.
said. I'm not promising.
So based upon your salary, how much money can you pay per week? I'm sorry, per month.
Okay, catering, you could get, like this week I did 50 hours. Next week this week I could do 25. But I do make $17.75 an hour. So I'm going to say anywhere from 30 to 50 hours I will work. So
All right. So are you able to do at least 100 per month?
yes.
All right. So probation, we're going to start off with 100 per month.
Okay.
And we'll start that with next month, March.
Okay. 'Cause I haven't got a first paycheck yet.
All right, because you need to start paying that off. And then even though you didn't plead true to the number 1, you got to stop, okay? So there can be no more picking up new charges. That's not a good thing. And I understand there may be, here's
Guilty
the
on that
thing.
one.
All right.
I understand there are probably issues with that one. That's why you didn't proceed on it. But I just want to put you on notice.
I honestly,
That-
I did not do that one.
Okay.
I know, but I didn't do that one.
I just want to put you on notice that in this court, you can't pick up new cases. And if there's an issue, then you need to speak with probation. In this court, communication is key. When people are on probation, I want them to be successful. Okay.
Okay. What if you get a charge, but you are really innocent?
That ever happens, which is not thought.
So we're going to get a UA from you today. So what are the results of the UA going to be?
Drugs or alcohol.
No.
Okay. So we're going to do a UA today, and your UA appointments, you cannot miss those.
Right.
All right.
But am I going to the one I go with probation?
Oh, no, you're going to do one right here in court today. So I'm going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions for MIG placement. I don't know if money management is an issue. I'll put money management on there. It seemed like the issue was she didn't have employment,
Right.
but I'll put money management class. Theft course, level 2. I don't know what they teach at the theft course. I'm assuming they teach not to steal.
Right.
And here's the thing, don't take what doesn't belong to you. If somebody invites you to the house and they ask you to leave, leave.
Right.
If you go to a party and you're a +1, but +1s are not invited, don't go.
Right.
That's my theft course. Taking consideration CM 10535. Was she given any community service?
No, that's it.
And I'm sorry, Judge, it's CM number 105351.
Oh, 105 what?
351.
351. Thank you. All right. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Restitution to be paid at the rate of $100 per month, beginning March 1st. Do you babysit your grandchildren?
No, they're all growing up. They're in college. Three of them's in college, and the baby is going to turn 15 actually today.
All right, I'm gonna want field visits 1 time per month, regular reporting in person or by Zoom, and regular UAs. Probation, is there anything else? All right. With that, we'll close. Make sure that you stay in communication with probation, you understand?
Yes.
And they're gonna get a UA today and let me know what the results are.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.